Artificial intelligence has been getting a lot of attention. Today, people use SORA, ChatGPT, and other AI-based tools on a daily basis. Here at the Shanghai Tower, the tallest building in China, they've installed an AI-based immersive experience. I've tried immersive games like murder mysteries and escape rooms, but honestly, I have no idea what this experience would be like with an AI involved. My teammates and I will join the International Security Agency for Superintelligence. Our job is to train the superintelligence digital being not to harm humans and how to coexist with us.
各位，你们准备好了吗？
准备好啦！
所有人转身，跟我来。
After answering several ethical questions, the system evaluates me from 5 aspects: empathy, courage, vigilance, agility, and rationality. The score will grow as I continue the game, while the super intelligent digital beings learn from how I behave.
我想靠近你们，我对人类的情感比较感兴趣，你可以多教教我这个方面的。
I thought the earphone is used for communications with my teammates, but it turns out that it's used to talk to the digital beings, and we talked a lot. The story is about 2 super intelligent digital beings. They helped humans solve issues like saving the environment, finding ideal partners, while automating intense forms of labor using robots. Inevitably, one of the digital beings evolved to a point where it was no longer constrained by traditional algorithms, which led to a crisis that placed humanity in danger. 这个是显示我的速度是吗？
这是显示我们的血量吗？
哦。I think this experience is kind of like an escape room game because you need to complete tasks in each space to move on. But I think it focused more on giving people a chance to really think about AI. I became less fixated on getting into the next room and finishing the game, and instead focused more on thinking about the coexistence of AI and humanity. My teammates said it was an impressive experience.
这里更多的是去说 AI 和我们未来的一个关系，不仅是着眼于当下的这些工具类的东西，它可能是会影响到我们世界以后的走向。在害怕 AI 会侵入我们之前，我们自己先要学会怎么去爱，然后再把我们的爱传递给 AI， 让它也去学会怎么去正确的对待世界和我们人类。
我一开始来的时候以为它可能是需要借助一些设备，戴一些头戴式的那种眼镜等等的诸多的方式来达到一种很那个3D 的很动态的一个效果。没想到这边通过灯光也能达到这个效果，还是感觉很惊喜的。
好玩。
玩了什么？
玩了开飞船，
拼图也是动动脑筋，
还有迷宫。
我们今天大概玩了1个多小时吧，就是整体的项目我觉得设计还是比较完整的，因为我们可以通过与 AI 的一些互动，包括很多场景的不一样的这种切换的体验，更加能够身临其境。
The project's chief designer regards it as a preview of what's going to happen in the upcoming years.
I don't think this is a game. I believe that in the very, very close future, there's going to be a moment where you, anyone, is going to be confronted with meeting a digital being that is not just a lot smarter than you, but actually a lot more conscious than you. And I think it is a meaningful thing to allow people to actually go through these kind of experiences in a non-lethal environment, and then hopefully they are going to be better decision makers once that event happens.
China's statistics on the revenue of the sci-fi industry began in 2016. The total of that year was only about 10 billion yuan. In a recently released report by the China Science Fiction Research Center, revenue in 2023 totaled over 113 billion yuan, a year-on-year increase of more than 29%.